Hey, today we're leveling up your English with prepositions. Those tiny words that show where, when, or how things connect. So if you master these, your sentences will sound natural and precise. On shows position or surface. Example, the book is on the table. Think of it as literally resting on something. Anywhere something touches a surface, the word on works. Put your phone on the counter. Simple, right? In shows inside or part of something. Example, she's in the room. Use it whenever something is contained or enclosed. You can say, I left my keys in the bag. It's easy to remember because it's like stepping into a space, right? At shows a specific point or location. For example, meet me at the cafe. At is exact. Kind of rhymes, right? At is exact. It doesn't mean inside or on, just this spot right here. So here's a tip. You can say, I'll see you at the bus stop. That is much sharper than saying in the bus stop. With shows together or in agreement. So for example, I'm with you on this plan. Use it to show connection, teamwork, or accomplishment. And in the real world, you would say, I went to the movies with my friends. Above shows higher than or beyond. Example, keep your focus above distractions. Think physically or metaphorically. So in the real world, we would say, the picture hangs above the fireplace. Or, stay above negativity. Make sense? All right. Between shows in the middle of two things. Example, I'm between two choices. Use it for physical or metaphorical middle positions. In real life, you can say, the restaurant is between the bank and the library. So knowing between makes your sentences exact and clear. So swap these prepositions and the meaning change completely. Master them and your English will sound natural, confident, and professional. You can use it for work, school, or everyday life. So hope you learned something new today, and remember, practice, practice, practice.